Get ready to watch Spider-Man come to life as we dive into the world of alcohol marker drawing. Today, we'll be using vibrant colors to create an epic illustration that captures the essence of our favorite web-slinger. First, we'll start with a sketch that outlines Spider-Man's iconic pose. This is where we set the stage for our dynamic hero. Now, let's grab our alcohol markers. The beauty of these markers is their ability to blend seamlessly, creating stunning textures and depth. As we layer colors, watch how Spider-Man's suit transforms. The bold reds and deep blues pop off the page, making him look more alive than ever. Don't forget the web details. Adding fine lines with our markers gives that extra touch of realism. As we finish up, you'll see Spider-Man springing into action, ready to swing into your heart. Thanks for joining me in this creative adventure. If you enjoyed watching, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more amazing art.